Hello children, let's learn three-letter words with the help of et family. When you learn them, it can help you read and write. E says a and the T says t. E-T, et. E-T, et. Now to make three-letter words, blend et, et sound with different consonants. J says j, et, et. J at a jet, j at a jet. P says p, et, et. P at pet, p at pet. N says n, et, et. N at a net, n at a net. W says v, et, et. V at vet, v at vet. Children, now you have learned et word family. So, it's rhyming time. Let's chant with me. Et, et. J at a jet, p at a pet, n at a net, v at a vet. Repeat. Et, et. J at a jet, p at a pet, n at a net, v at a vet. Learn this at home also. Bye bye.